Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is second video of the revision of checkpoint. So these short small revisions will make a huge difference. So kindly do these questions every day with me. So you should have a paper pen with you so that you can practice. It will be helpful for your coming exams. So if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So let's start. The question that I have here, the diagram shows positions of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Draw a line to join the bearing of correct description here. So bearing of B from A. So whenever you get these kind of question, you need to have a north line on that point where it says from A. From A we have north line this to B. So B is here, so we're going to reach here. So this angle is 180. So bearing of B from A is equal to 180. So we'll join here. Second, bearing of C from B. So let's draw a north line here at C, right, of C from B. Of C from B. So C is here. So north line of B is this one. So from B to C is this one. So this is less than 180. So this will be less than 180. Now bearing of D from B. Bearing of D from B. It's here. You can see this angle is greater than 90 but less than 180. So this goes here. Let me check this one. Bearing of C from B. Of C from B. Yeah, that's correct. So that's it for this one. Next, write a number in each box to complete the calculation. So 3.5 divided by 7 over 8. So you see here is a multiplication. So this division became multiplication. This is 35 over 10. So if you simplify, divide it by 5, 5 times 7, 5 times 2. So you have 7 over 2. Divide will become times. This will be the reciprocal, 8 over 7. Like this, right? So for the final answer, this 7 and 7 gets cancelled. Let me cancel here. 2 times 4. So final answer is going to be 4. Next, question number 11. The data shows the marks scored by students in a test. So we have all these scores here. Jamila records the test marks in this table. So these are here. Explain why the class interval chosen by Jamila is not the most appropriate. So if you see here, look at the frequency. Here is 0, here is 0. So everything came in these two, you will say the table here. So it's better to take the small size here or change the test marks so that the frequency doesn't come 0. We can say only 2 class intervals. Only 2 class intervals have non-zero frequencies. So she should choose in a proper way that so that we have some frequency here, right? Now B part, complete the frequency table to record the data using more appropriate class interval. You should choose the class interval with the equal class width. So we may have here, we can just choose it like it's 20 to 39. So 20 to 39, here we have the different numbers. So let's choose the maximum number here is the maximum number here is 73, right? 74. Any other number with 7? No. So 74 is maximum and minimum is here we have 45. Less than this? No. So 45 is minimum. So we can choose class interval like 45, let's say 40 to 49. Then we can choose 50 to 59. 60 to 69, and then 70 to 79, right? So just choose these intervals accordingly. 40 to 49 we have here 1 2 3 and 4, so we can put 4 here. 50 to 59 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, so we have 12 here. 60 to 69 is 1 2 3 4 5, so we have 5 here, and remaining we have 70 to 79 is 3. This can be further splitted to the smaller class interval, that will also be correct, right? Now number 12, a power 3, then outside we have 4. A power 3 times 4, it is a power 12, and this one simplify. So you see there is a 2 common here, so it will be 2n plus 3 over 2. 2 and 2 is gone, so this is 2n plus 3. Remember to write your answers in the columns, space provided. Now write 50,000 in standard form. So 50,000, the decimal is here, we are moving 1 2 3 and 4, so which is 5 times 10 raised to power 4, right? Now write this as an ordinary number, so we are just going to add, it is 1 over 1000, right? So this also is 400 times this is 3, so this is 0.00407, 0.00407, right? Now this is question from probability. The counter in a bag are either red, blue, green or yellow. The counter is picked at random from the bag. The table shows the probability of some outcomes: red, blue, green and yellow. So we need to find out this yellow one. So it's easy, you just add all these probabilities. 0.15, add all of them, then you subtract it from 1. So 1 minus 0.55, this is 0.45, so this is 0.45. okay, that's the answer of this. So that's it, guys. Let me go back. I feel I have made mistake in this question number 9, the last part, the bearing of D from B. So from B, it's from here to go to D, sorry, from here to here, which is more than 180. So not this one, so this will be here more than 180. Sorry for the mistake, so it was just clicked to my mind that something is wrong there. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys are getting, so kindly subscribe and share it with your friends, and please do practice and let me know how these videos are giving you benefit. Be blessed, guys. Thank you so much.